Hi students, so welcome to lecture number 33 of last exercise 8.4 chapter 8 trigonometry. So students, in this exercise we will evaluate, we will prove some questions with the help of given identities. You are very aware about it. In previous video we have written all identities and I hope you will learn all identities, and these identities will be used here. Students, here identities are sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a, and 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. Okay, cosec square a. Okay students, so with the help of these identities we will try to solve question first. Express the trigonometric ratios sin a, sec a and tan a. So okay students, here with the help of these relations we will express the value of sin a, sec a and tan a in terms of cot a. Students, in terms of cot a means we should finalize, we should obtain the value of sin a in terms of cot a, the value of sec a in terms of cot a, and similarly the value of tan a is in terms of cot a. We know tan a is equal to 1 upon cot a. ये पहला आपका आंसर होगा स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज द वैल्यू ऑफ tan a in terms of cot a with the help of identities. Similarly, we will write sin a and sec a. How? Using identity one plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. Students, we are using here this identity. We can write 1 plus cot square a is equal to, this can be written as 1 upon sin square a. Okay, now do cross multiplication. Sin square a multiplied by 1 plus cot square a is equal to 1. Okay students, now this can be written as sin square a is equal to 1 upon 1 plus cot square a, or sin a is equal to under root 1 upon 1 plus cot square a, or finally sin a can be written as, square root of 1 is 1 upon under root 1 plus cot square a. This is the second value, the value of sin a in terms of cot a. आप देखिए sin की वैल्यू cot के टर्म में आ गई. तो this is the question, the solution of answer. So here we have find two values, the value of tan a in terms of cot a and the value of sin a in terms of cot a. Now we will have to find the value of sec a in terms of cot a. So certainly we will use second identity. Okay, so write down this. So students, I hope you have written okay students. So now we take sec a. We have 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. We are using here second identity. So students, we can write 1 plus 1 upon cot square a, because tan a is equal to 1 upon cot a is equal to sec square a. Take LCM here, cot square a here, cot square a plus 1 is equal to sec square a. Okay students, तो आप देख सकते हैं कि sec square की वैल्यू आ रही है cot square a plus 1 upon cot square a, और sec square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a upon cot square a. Okay, therefore taking square root both the side, sec a is equal to, you can write under root 1 plus cot square a upon cot square a. Okay, or finally you can write sec a is equal to under root 1 plus cot square a but whole upon only cot square a. Okay students, this is the value of sec a in terms of cot a. Okay students, sorry, cot a only, because cot square a अंडर रूट दैट इज कॉट ए, तो ये आप डिनोमिनेटर में ओनली कॉट ए होगा स्टूडेंट्स. सो रिमेंबर दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ सेक ए. तो इन दिस केस, इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव फाइनलाइज्ड द वैल्यू ऑफ tan a in terms of cot a, sin a in terms of cot a, and similarly lastly sec a in terms of cot a. तो ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सिमिलरली स्टूडेंट्स आई होप यू विल सॉल्व द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. एंड यू नो, in second question you must write all trigonometric ratios in terms of sec a. क्वेश्चन सेकंड में आपको सभी जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज हैं लाइक साइन ए, कास ए, टेन ए, कासेक ए, सेक ए, काट ए, सेक ए इज ऑलरेडी इक्वल टू सेक ए. तो रिमेनिंग 5 रेशियोज यू विल कन्वर्ट इनटू सेक ए, दैट इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ सेक ए. क्वेश्चंस, तो राइट दिस. तो स्टूडेंट्स, here we have question third and fourth. First part of question number third and first part of question number 4. In first part of third, we have to evaluate sin square 63 plus sin square 27 upon cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Students, if you remember, the question belongs to the complementary angles and ratios. 63, 27, 90 degree, 17 and I think 73, the both of the sum is 90 degree. So here we convert one of them. Sin square 63 can be written as 90 minus 27 plus sin square 27 will remain no change. Now convert cos square 17. Cos square 17 degree can be written as 90 minus 73 degree plus cos square 73 will remain no change. Now convert this, use formula sin 90 minus theta cos theta. So students, here sin 90 minus theta cos theta, that is sin 90 minus a cos a, यानी cos square 27 degree plus sin square 27 degree. Now in denominator cos square यानी cos 90 minus theta sin theta, it can be written as sin square 73 plus cos square 73 degree. So okay students, we have converted with the help of formulas based on complementary angles and ratios. Now you know, we know formula identity. If sin square theta plus cos square theta, if there is given same angle and sin and cos, sin square theta cos square theta, then this will be 1. आप जानते हैं इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी, 1. Similarly here sin square theta cos square theta, there is same angle, तो sin square theta plus cos square theta, or you may say sin square theta, sorry, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. तो 1 upon 1 is equal to, your answer is 1. तो here it has been solved. Third का past first. Okay students, now come to first part of question 4. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 options. Choose the correct option. 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. We will solve. Solution. We have 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. Take common 9 sec square a minus tan square a. Okay students. And students, you know this is nothing but the value of 1 according to identities. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 is the answer. This is correct answer. Because you have already studies the identities sec square a minus tan square a is always equal to 1. Okay students, so write these solutions. So students, here in this part we have fourth question, second part. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta, first bracket. In second bracket, 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. We have to evaluate it, and options are given: A 0, B 1, C 2, D minus 1. Which one of them is correct? It has to be found. Okay students, so see here how to solve. So first of all, we want to solve it like 1 plus, we will write here sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta is equal to, and sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, bracket close. Now in next bracket, 1 plus cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta, and this can be written as 1 upon sin theta. Okay student, now take LCM. Now we will take LCM, and here it is 1, here a denominator 1 is there. Now LCM is here cos theta, and we can write cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, and in next bracket LCM is sin theta, we can write here sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay students, now see here in numerator cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. So here you can say that this belongs to A and this is B. ऐसा suppose करें तो this is A and this is B. तो we can write students A plus B and A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So we can write here cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square, and in denominator cos theta into sin theta, cos theta into sin theta. So students, I hope try to understand. आप कोशिश कर रहे हैं समझने की. आप देखिए, चाहे हम sin theta लिखें पहले या बाद में, तो दिस इज सेम sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 and sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Therefore एक प्रकार से क्या हुआ, A plus B और A minus B. Using identity, A plus B, A minus B can be written as A square minus B square, and in denominator cos theta into sin theta. Okay, now we express this, we will open the square, so we can write here cos theta plus sin theta whole square, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1. Students, we have opened this bracket using A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB, and minus 1 square is 1, denominator cos theta into sin theta. And students, this is nothing but an identity. The value of cos square theta plus sin square theta is always 1 minus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 whole upon cos theta into sin theta. Okay students, now see here 1 minus 1 cancel out, then we have one, there is correction students, here there is sin plus. Now okay students, so now we can write here 2 sin theta into cos theta upon cos theta into sin theta. Cos cancel out, sin cancel out, or your answer is 2. So your correct option is C. C is correct option. So okay students, this is important question for board examination point of view. So write and try to understand. Okay. So students, here we have fifth question. Students, 8.4 question number 5 consists 10 parts. इसमें 10 parts and all parts are very important for your examination point of view. So solve all parts carefully and be ready for your coming test. So first part of fifth question is prove the following. cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Students, remember in NCERT there are limited questions, and if you want to do well practice, so solve questions from other books, means your reference book also. Okay students, so one of 10 questions, 10 parts of this question, so we have taken this question. So first of all we will write left hand side, which is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Now here we use identity. Cosec theta can be written as 1 upon sin theta, and cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta whole square. Okay students, now here LCM is there. LCM will be sin theta and cos theta. Okay students, sin cancel out, here it will be cos theta minus sin cancel out, sorry student, sin cancel out, it will be cos square theta bracket and whole square. I think it is correct. Not correct students, there is correction. Simply we can write here sin theta, only sin theta is LCM, then you can write 1 minus cos theta whole square. Okay, so this can be written as 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sin square theta. Here 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta is under bracket, but in this step we write separately numerator and denominator. Now 1 minus cos theta can whole square can be written as 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. You can write 2 times because there is whole square, and sin square can be written as sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Using identity, we know that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay students, now in this case we will use identity a square minus b square, which will equal to a plus b and a minus b. So in this case 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta 2 times. Now here 1 means 1 square, that is a square minus b square, so a plus b into a minus b. So this can be written as 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. So this term will be cancelled out students. Now we have 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, or student this is nothing but your right hand side. So this will be equal to right hand side. So remember students how to prove. First we should take, remember there are 3 ways to prove. Number 1, if any identities or any question is given, then take left hand side and solve it, and slowly you will be reach at right hand side. लेफ्ट हैंड से स्टार्ट कीजिए, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से, और आप पहुंच जाएंगे राइट हैंड साइड. दिस इज द वे टू प्रूव. नाउ सेकंड वे, टेक राइट हैंड साइड, यू कैन टेक राइट हैंड साइड एंड सॉल्व इट एंड यू विल बी रीच एट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. आप राइट हैंड साइड लेके सॉल्व करेंगे और आप पहुंच जाएंगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, तब भी आपका प्रूव हो गया. थर्ड वे, सॉल्व सेपरेटली लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड. आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड को दोनों को अलग अलग सॉल्व कीजिए और दोनों की वैल्यू इफ विल रिमेन सेम देन इट इज प्रूव्ड. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे आगे आपको. तो वी कैन से सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड एंड इट इज प्रूव्ड. तो दिस इज द प्रूफ ऑफ पार्ट फर्स्ट. ओके, एंड एज you have been told that all parts of question number 5 are most important, so be ready to prepare these parts. This is the first part solution. Write this. So students, now we have taken third part of question number 5. I hope you will try to solve second part. तो इन दिस पार्ट tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. So students, here we have to prove. Okay, to prove. Same thing, we take left hand side first and write tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Okay students, and now students, we will convert tan theta and cot theta in terms of sin and cos. How? Cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta. Similarly, tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta. So students, here we will write sin theta upon cos theta whole upon 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Now plus cot theta, cos theta upon sin theta upon 1 minus tan theta, and 1 minus tan theta can be written as 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. The students, here don't be confused. Numerator and denominator, both term must be clear to you. And you know, in both the denominators we take LCM. LCM, if we take 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta, then what will be given? What will we get? 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. If we take LCM, LCM is sin theta, and here then sin theta minus cos theta. So students, in this part of denominator we will get sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta. Similarly here we will get cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. तो अब यहाँ पे आइए आप स्टूडेंट्स, here we will write sin theta upon cos theta upon sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta whole upon. Students, similarly you will take here LCM, then you will use cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta, because cos theta is LCM. Now students, see here, this can be written as sin theta upon cos theta, and denominator sin theta minus cos theta, and this will become sin theta in numerator. This sin theta become reach into numerator plus cos theta upon sin theta here, and this term is in denominator cos theta minus sin theta, whereas the cos theta will be in numerator. Okay students, now students, we can write here sin square theta upon cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now here, to equate denominator sin theta minus cos theta, students, see here we have sin theta minus cos theta, whereas here we have cos theta minus sin theta. If we take minus from here common, if we take minus from here common, if we take common minus here minus, then we can write here in numerator cos square theta, and this will be sin theta and bracket sin theta minus cos theta. I would like to tell you that students, sin theta minus cos theta, यहाँ पे है cos theta minus sin theta. अगर इस sin माइनस को हम कॉमन ले लें तो ये भी हो जाएगा sin theta minus cos theta. तो to get equal sin theta minus cos theta same, we take common here. तो ये प्लस साइन यहाँ माइनस हो जाएगा. नाउ अब स्टूडेंट्स हम क्या करेंगे, नाउ एलसीएम लेंगे cos theta into sin theta, and in second bracket sin theta minus cos theta. स्टूडेंट्स ये सेम है तो इसलिए एक बार ही एलसीएम में आएगा. अब आप देखिए क्या होगा, cos कैंसिल आउट, sin theta कैंसिल आउट, मीन्स sin theta माइनस cos theta, क्या बचा sin theta into sin square theta, it becomes sin cube theta. Similarly students, here sin theta and sin theta minus cos theta terms will be cancelled out, then we have cos theta, and cos theta into cos square theta, it becomes cos cube theta students. Okay, तो अभी हम इससे आगे और सॉल्व करेंगे. टिल देन इतना लिख लीजिए आप पहले, राइट डाउन. तो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स here we use here formula a cube minus b cube. I know a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b first bracket and a square plus b square plus a. Similarly we use here a minus b यानी कि sin theta minus cos theta, and in second bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta student, and denominator cos theta into sin theta and bracket sin theta minus cos theta. At last these terms cancel out, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon cos theta plus sin theta into sin theta, cos theta into sin theta. So students, remember here we have used identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 we know. Okay, and whole upon cos theta into sin theta, इसको आप सेपरेट करेंगे. It can be written as 1 upon cosec theta into sin theta plus sin theta into not cosec, cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta upon cos theta into sin theta. स्टूडेंट्स आपने क्या किया, इसको हमने दोनों टर्म में डिवाइड किया. नाउ ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, यहाँ क्या आएगा 1. इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं 1 upon cos theta into 1 upon sin theta plus 1. And you know this can be written as sec theta, and this can be written as cosec theta, and this one, or we can write 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Students, finally we have reached at right hand side. Remember students, ध्यान रखिए हमें ये प्रूव करना था राइट हैंड साइड में, यही हमारा राइट हैंड साइड था, और we have proved that when we come from left hand side we go to right hand side. लेफ्ट से चले हैं, राइट में पहुंच गए हैं, so it is proved. इसको आप लिख सकते हैं कि it is proved. तो स्टूडेंट्स, this is the third important part of question number 5. Students, I hope you are trying to understand. Now if you have still problem, you can ask questions. This is a very good question for examination point of view, and take 1 or 2 times, see 1 or 2 times this video and see complete videos. Okay students, and with this subscribe this channel for new and updated videos. Okay students, so now I would like to conclude here this 33 lecture number over. Now students, keep watching videos and try to watch full videos. Once again I repeat it, and take care of yourself students. Okay, thanks.